What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new iPhone 15 Pro case, the FineWoven. That's the new concept that they got going on. And a lot of people have been giving it some bad reviews, but I wanted to share my take on it. I've been using this on the phone for 1 week now with this awesome new natural titanium color. So to begin with, the materials. A lot of people have been giving it some bad reviews since it's this new concept of like all of their new recycled and environmental friendly stuff. So to begin with, I do like the back texture of this. It's very like if you hear it in the mic, it's hard to pick up, but it has like this fabric-y feel to it, and it makes that nylon kind of sound when you like rub your fingers on it. So I personally really like the soft feel on the back, but the side materials, it's like feels very cheap. It's definitely not the same FineWoven material on the back. It's like a more plasticky feel. It is also like a recycled material according to them, but it does not feel very good. And lastly, the buttons do feel very good, and they're very clicky and stuff, so that's one good thing. I mean, it is an official Apple case, so you would expect at least that much from them. And then the inside material is like a soft material, so it'll keep your phone nice and cushioned. So that's what I have to say about the materials about it. And then the protection wise, I mean, it does have a nice raised camera lip, as well as all the way around the front of the phone it is raised, so that keeps it protected, so if that's what you're worrying about. But in general, the Apple cases are not as great as some other cases for that kind of protection. You'll find a lot more better options for that. And then the main thing that most reviewers haven't been able to cover is that the age over time, because most of them just take it out of the box and review it. If you haven't already noticed from the videos or the B-roll that I'm showing on right now, this case does not hold up well. Like all the sides, they get like a very dark coloration, and I haven't like put this through like water or anything like that, just normal, just holding it in my hands, that's it. Like the sides, like it's almost like the color is like coming off, and this mark does not go away. As well as if you scratch it or anything like that, the scratches do stay on. Now understand there's a concept with like actual leather, like called patina, and that does make sense. That ages well over time and it creates its own unique feel with it. But the problem with this is like some FineWoven recycled material, so it's definitely not having that same kind of patina look. It just looks dirty in my opinion. So that's what I think. And the overall takeaway from this case in my review is that the overall verdict is that the price is definitely not justified. This is like a $60 to $70 case, depending if you're US, Canada, or other places, but $60 I'm pretty sure in US, and that is like very expensive for what it is. The materials used are definitely not on par with what some other manufacturers use, and definitely I personally, after 1 week of daily using it, I wouldn't say it's worth it. So with that being said, that's my review of this case for the iPhone 15 Pro. I know it's been a minute since I've made a video, but I'm trying to get back into it. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to drop a like. But just like that, this video is about to be done. I'm out in 3, 2, 1.